Hello, it's Lyndon here, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. In today's video, I want to look at the best ever pentatonic pattern. And if you're not sure about pentatonics, then have a look in the description below, because I'm going to put a link to one of the other videos that I made which talks about pentatonics. So pentatonics, absolutely fantastic. As the name suggests, it's a 5-note scale and super powerful, fantastic for improvisation, really good. I want to let you know that I'm listening, so a lot of the feedback that I've had is, can we have some more stuff on the tenor? So I'm listening to that. Another one is, can we have more licks and patterns? So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm absolutely blown away with all of the love and support that people have shown. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's great to be able to reach out and touch people in foreign countries, people that I've never met, and it's just fantastic. So really happy about that. If you want to be a supporter of these videos, click on the link below, buy me a coffee. That would be amazing if you can. And by the way, there's going to be a worksheet at the end of the video, so you can take a screenshot of that. And this is going to be in the key of D for tenor saxophone, and the notes are D, F, G, A, C, and then back to D. So I'm just going to play it for you, and I think you'll hear straight away how fantastic this sounds. So if I practice and I get really good at doing this pattern, which I strongly recommend that you do in all keys, then if I put that to a backing track, that's going to sound really nice just with the pattern on its own. So here I have Soul Jazz Funk Volume 3. I've set it to 70s funk, and this is a B flat blues, and I've actually changed the key from B flat to D, so it's in my D for tenor. And if I play that pattern to this backing track, it's going to sound really nice. So just playing that pattern straight up and straight down sounds really good, and you could use that wherever you liked. But I could also use a snippet of it. So in this snippet, I'm going to start on the root, and I'm going to go D, F, G, A, F, G, A, C, G, A, C, D. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm just going to repeat that idea. Sounds really cool. So let's invent a pattern descending. I'm going to start on the A with my octave key and come down. I'm going to go A, G, F, D, G, F, D, C, F, D, C, and A. It's going to sound great. Sounds really fantastic. So this is such a strong pattern, and you can literally start on any point and go to any point on this pattern, and it will work. It will just sound absolutely brilliant, really good. I'm going to make a descending pattern starting on the F and descending F, D, C, A, D, C, A, G, C, A. So I'm just kind of stopping halfway through a line. It just works. So now I'm just going to use a few lines of this pattern in not a random order, but I'm just going to be playful and start and finish wherever I like, but everything I'm doing is going to be a variation of this pattern. Check it out. It's going to sound absolutely brilliant. And by the way, you can do this through any type of genre. I'm doing it through a bluesy kind of feel, but you could do this through any kind of genre. So what a fantastic pattern. It's so cool and so effective and quite easy to get down, but just really sounds great. So I hope that's useful to you. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. When we get a comment, a positive comment on one of the videos, my wife and I are like, oh look, you've had another comment, somebody's said, you know, whatever they've said really cool or whatever, it's been helpful. It's really good to know that I can reach through the internet and contact people in other countries and help them with their sax playing. So it really means a lot to us. If you feel like supporting these videos, then you can do. We're not monetized, so feel free to buy me a caffeinated beverage at some point, and it lights up our house. So thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.